Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the review about this Sony Ericsson W508 from the Walkman series. But wait, first of all, thanks a lot for the 15,000 subscribers. As I told you in my community tag, why I should do this giveaway or raffle for these 15,000 subscribers. Know why you should win, why I should do this giveaway. Please comment below at the video and let's start with this review. So this Sony Ericsson was released in 2009. It works at GSM, at 2G and 3G bands. It has a 3 megapixel camera that records video up to 320p at 15 frames per second. Also, there is a small detector for silent calls doing only like that and will silent the call. These 3 express music buttons. There is a small monochrome display with 36 by 128 pixels, 1.1 inches. What more? At the bottom we don't found nothing. At the left side we found the Sony Ericsson connector for charging it, for transfer data or connect our headphones or headsets. At the top completely nothing. At the right side we found the volume buttons and the lock-unlock button for the external buttons, Walkman buttons. At the back the speaker, Sony Ericsson logo, Walkman logo. Nothing much. This is how it looks. Now let's open it. It has 2.2 inches display with 240 by 320 pixel 4:3 ratio. It has a small camera for video calls, the keyboard, and that's how it looks. Open it. So let's turn it on. This phone has 100 megabytes of internal memory and also has a memory stick micro M2 for put more memory up to 16 gigabytes. The phone was made, as you can see, for MP3 player. There you can see the external display for music. So that was my example, how it looks. And what more? What we found at the main menu. Like every Sony Ericsson menu, at entertainment we found video DJ, photo DJ, music DJ, Bluetooth remote control for the PC, for example, voice recorder, and demo video. Let's take a look. As you can see, as I told you at the start of the video, you can silence the calls only doing that due to this sensor, and you can replace these covers. And that's the second one I have. I think you can buy them from eBay, for example, or second-hand stores, but I prefer it looks in white color. So let's continue watching what we found at this Sony Ericsson. The camera, as I told you, 3 megapixel, video up to 320p resolution, and this is my example of this camera, and the phone I'm showing you is the next I will review, a Samsung with Symbian operative system. This Sony Ericsson has 3 megapixel camera, nothing much, and the second one, at organizer we can find the video calls. Let's make it bigger. There you can see me. Hi guys. It also has zoom. Okay, that's about the selfie camera, but only for video calls. Ad organizer, alarms, different applications, calendars, to do things, notes, stopwatch, calculator, everything that a normal phone should have. And let's take a look, for example, for your favorite section, the ringtones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. So that was all about the ringtones, and let's take a look at the message tones, like every Sony Ericsson. Please comment below which one is your favorite ringtone or notification tone. That was all about the ringtones. Let's take a look at the gallery. We find some wallpapers. Cool wallpapers, in my opinion, for young people. The video is the demo video I show you, demo tour, and other ones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. What's more inside the phone? Some themes. I have Clarity installed right now. Let's take a look to the other one. Walkman. The theme from Walkman. And Yoigodem, which is the operator network of the phone. Nothing much. What more? Finally, the games you can play at the phone uses motion sensors like the accelerometer, for example for the bowling game, and at multimedia you can see the phone has accelerometer inside of it. And I think that was sad about the phone. Has connectivity 3G, 2G at GSM and Bluetooth 2.0. There you can see at connectivity, Bluetooth. So I think I show you everything about the phone. The phone has a battery with 980 milliamperes, around 1 ampere. So it looks really fine in my opinion, really slim, cool design for young people. You can play music here. Really loud speaker, like every Walkman phone. So guys, that was all about the phone. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. And please remember to comment below why I should do a raffle or a giveaway due to the 15,000 subscribers. Thank you a lot for your comments and all your support, guys. Bye bye.